Hey everyone, want to create automations in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow in ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, open the space folder or list where you want to create an automation. Now look for the automations option and open the automation manager for your selected location. Choose a pre-built automation or create a custom one from scratch. Automations can save time by handling repetitive actions automatically. Next, select a trigger that starts the automation, such as when a task is created, a status changes, a due date arrives, or a priority is updated. After choosing the trigger, select the action you want ClickUp to perform automatically. For example, you can assign a task, change its status, add a comment, update a priority, or notify a team member. Review the automation settings to make sure the trigger and action work together correctly. Save the automation and test it by performing the trigger action to confirm everything works as expected. If needed, edit the automation later to improve your workflow or add additional conditions. Finally, create more automations for repetitive processes to reduce manual work and keep your projects running efficiently. And that's how to create automations in ClickUp. With the right triggers and actions, you can save time, reduce repetitive tasks, and build a more productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.